SEBI, under the new chief, Pandey sir, has come out with a paper to reduce the charges that mutual funds can take from investors from their kitty. All along, the mutual fund industry, as you all know, it grew 7 times in per year collection of funds with such a manifold increase in AUMs. The kind of management which you need, the teams which you need, the office and other infrastructure you need does not go up so much. There is huge operational efficiency and leverage which comes in. Mutual funds, the kind of economies of scale they enjoy today, they don't deserve the kind of fees which they are used to charging from 5 years, 7 years back. Those percentages are outdated. But jab previous SEBI chief thi, yes, the PR hungry madam, that time she had also floated this kind of proposal कि भाई ये फीस बहुत ज्यादा आप ले रहे हो इन्वेस्टर्स के किटी से and this is affecting investors net returns, not just fees but also charges, the total expense ratio and such. But you know the AMFI and mutual fund lobby is so strong, plus her tenure was also shaky, so she did not have the gumption or the backing to upset the apple cart, and she let that slide. So what happened was, another couple of years, these guys, the mutual funds and the AMCs, have milked extremely high charges, fees, and also commissions have been paid to distributors, some of which in a previous video we showed that national distributors have reached thousands of crores in annual revenue. All this put together, now finally again a float of paper has happened. Comments are being invited by Pandey sir. Brokerage limits are being cut. Cash market में only 2 basis points, derivatives 1 basis points. Economies of scales must kick in as per Pandey sir, because after all trades are just electrons transmitting, right? So why do you need so much basis points for executing each trade? All this put together, let's see how it goes.